How's it going, everyone? Buddy Candela here, and if you follow me on social media, you probably know that I recently moved to Columbus. And if you're not following me, links are down in the doobly-doo. I've been here about a month now, and a lot of people have been asking me about my game room. See, we moved into a 4-bedroom house, and we didn't really need that many, so I converted one of the bedrooms into a room with just all my games, movies, posters, stuff like that. And Dynamite Jared suggested I do it MTV Crib style, so I'm just gonna kind of walk around my room and show you what it's all about. I guess before I head down there, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I post a new video. Also, if you give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend, it would be greatly appreciated. Alright, so let's head down. Alright, here we go. So here is my game/movie room. So I'm going to try to do this in one take, so hopefully it's not too jump cutty for you guys, and I'm just recording this on my phone here. So I guess let's just start right here. So as you can see, got Black Gloves poster, the new film by Laurie Brewster, came out last year. Got my director's chair, it's kind of in front of this Hateful Eight poster that I have, one of my favorite Tarantino movies. So here's the signed picture from the Nerd, because I donated to the Angry Video Game Nerd movie. My friend Kayla Love drew that for me one time when I was sick, so shout out to her. I've hung it up everywhere I've went since she made it for me. Just got some stuffed animals, Loot Crate stuff, bobbleheads, just random stuff I think are cool. And here are a bunch of DVDs and Blu-rays. So a lot of people, when they are organizing their collection, they do it by alphabetical order. I do mine not only alphabetically, but also by genre. So right here, it starts with all the TV series that I have. I might also just kind of lump in the Dragon Ball movies along with the series. And I just have a few tapes over here. Got Monster Troopers 2, as you guys have seen on my channel. If you haven't seen it yet, go check that out. And then I've got comedy movies. Oh no, animation first. Animation, comedies go all the way down there. And then from right here, I've got sci-fi fantasy. So like Clash of the Titans, Lord of the Rings, Star Wars. So here's kind of like thriller, I guess. Thriller and like crime movies. And just kind of stuff I didn't really know what category to put them in. And right here, got some Westerns and 3 copies of Unlucky for some reason. And this is just like random like concert tapes. I mean, not tapes, DVDs, random concert movies. And I have 2 copies of Waxwork 2 and Waxwork. So I'm actually trying to get rid of that. I don't really know. That's kind of out of order right now. But so right here, got action movies, superhero movies, stuff like that, some more. And down here is just kind of a miscellaneous drama category. Just stuff I didn't really know what category it fit into. So that's all right there. Up here, got my Creation of Kevin poster. If you know what that's all about, you know. Hopefully we don't make the list. One of my favorite wrestling angles of the past few years. Tiger's Jaw, a little film reel, Aaron West, Tyler the Creator, I don't know why I started there. Mario Brothers title fight. I've got this Majora's Mask wood art made by my friend Tesla Baron. I've interviewed her on the channel a few times before, go check her out. I also have some more of her artwork over there. She's really amazing. My signed Angels and Airwaves little mini poster thing that Tom DeLonge drew all over, and a Zelda plate. We actually got these plates for like 50 cents at a garage sale, these vintage Nintendo plates. They're very cool. Over here, this was Emily's contribution to the room. It's just a pencil holder and a little thing and some stuff to store stuff. Got some essential oils going in this little dragon guy, some eucalyptus and lavender right now. Got some Mario coasters, actually. Those were kind of a budget buy at Target, and we'll see more of those in the room. Night of the Demon. I've got this tape sitting out because, well, I guess you'll see in a few weeks. So I got my computer here. This is where I'm going to be editing a crap ton of videos, hopefully, if I have time. Got my lava lamp going, and got some incense. They're not burning right now because I was worried about the smoke, but I kind of like having essential oils and incense going, just, you know, just kind of relaxes me, so I like that kind of stuff. So here are all the horror DVDs. I'm not even going to get into the horror tapes. Most of them are still in the closet because I don't really have the space for them at the moment. But here's all of the horror movies. Maybe someday I'll give you a little tour and talk about all of them. There's just a crap ton that I have. And these are all alphabetical again. But maybe one day I'll go through all of these with you guys. Got Bride of the Monster poster, the classic, infamous Ed Wood film. People say Plan 9 is the worst movie ever made. That's another Ed Wood film. It's not even close to being the worst movie ever made. And neither is The Room, for that matter. A lot of people say The Room is the worst movie ever made. But give these guys a break. Ed Wood and Tommy Wiseau, they were just trying their best. Up here, I kind of skipped over these. We just got some bobbleheads up there. And I've got my Adjust Your Tracking big box. Shout out to Dan Kidham. I actually have the DVD out in here, but the tape's up there in the big box. So here's my amp. It's a Line 6 Spider. I got that for Christmas a few years ago. Here's my guitar, which I never ever play ever. I haven't played guitar in a few years, but now that I moved into this new place, I want to start getting back into it. I'm just on a little pink chair because I don't know, we need to get another chair for here that kind of matches. Got a couch. Got this nice blanket that Emily got me our first Christmas together. Just a cool little movie blanket. Cavs pillow that I got at one of the Cavs games. Rest in peace, Cavs franchise, until LeBron comes back. So got some posters. Got Bela Lugosi, Zelda, Beatles, Frankenstein's monster. This actually is not Dracula. This is Bela Lugosi from Return of the Vampire. So this is not Dracula. Looks like Dracula. I mean, it is Bela Lugosi as a vampire, so it's basically Dracula. So I just kind of tell people that's a Dracula poster. So Frankenstein's monster, Mortal Kombat, Dragon Ball Z, Resurrection F. I like that movie. A lot of people were disappointed in that movie, but I liked it. It's not as good as Battle of Gods, but it's still pretty good. Got my AVGN the movie poster and Mario Brothers poster. I have tons of other posters that are in the closet and at Jared's house. These are just kind of what I have up right now. I might change it up at some point in time. So here is my acoustic guitar, which I also never ever play, but I need to get back into that. Here are my Godzilla tapes. So I have every Godzilla film that was released on tape. A lot of the ones that were made in the 2000s just came out on DVD. So these are all the ones that are on tape. They're all in order. And I painted this shelf. I kind of thought it looked like Blockbuster. So I thought it was cool. I wanted to paint it that color. And so yeah, there's all the Godzilla tapes. I also have Godzilla trailers and Monster Madness or whatever the hell that is. So here's just like some trinkets I have. Some Cavs bobbleheads, Dragon Ball Z stuff, Wallace and Gromit. This Mothman wine, I don't really drink, but I like the Mothman, so some Mothman wine bottle. And a Loch Ness Monster little soup ladle, which I've never actually used to make soup, but there it is. I hope it has fallen all over the place. Okay. So, here, we've got a bunch of games. They're kind of categorized by what system they go for. Here's extra controllers and stuff. This is my Wii U. It's just in the case because I don't really plan on playing it recently. These actually came off of this. So I had to saw these off before I painted it and put the tapes on it because the tapes wouldn't fit with these on there. This used to be a shoe rack. But I made it a tape rack and I think it works out really well. This is... well, it's pretty self-explanatory what it is. It's about Rod Serling, written by his daughter. That's the book I plan on reading next, so I just kind of have it out right now. Little ottoman, there's not much in there. So here's the TV, and I've just got some Blu-rays out, just stuff I plan on watching recently. Got some more of those coasters, little toys. So this is from when my fiance went to New York. She got this made by a witch. A witch like put a hex on this candle. It's supposed to bring good luck. I used to have it in my bedroom at my old house, but it kind of like gave me nightmares, and like in the middle of the night I'd like wake up randomly like sweaty and shaking, so it kind of creeped me out. So put it away for a while, but it found its home here in the game room. So here's more stuff by Tessa, Majora's Mask, and Skull Kid from Majora's Mask. So this is 100 movies bucket list. So me and Emily are going to work our way through all of these movies, and we want to make a video about each of the movies that we watch. And sorry, I got glitter on my hands from that candle. We've actually watched some of these already, but we're waiting to make the video of them before we like scratch them off and see the artwork. So you guys have that to look forward to on the channel. Just some more trinkets and stuff. So here's all my gaming systems that I have out right now, that I have room for. It's just N64, Xbox 360, Super Nintendo. Got my Switch little case up there with a 3DS, GameCube, and a Wii. And then obviously I have a DVD player and a VHS player down there. Just some board games, not much to say. Nightmare's cool. And I've been trying to play Seinfeld Seen It with someone, but everyone's scared to face me in it. No one ever wants to play that with me. Same with Rook. I've been trying to play this for several years. No one wants to play it. And I've got my D&D books and dice and all that. And that's another game no one ever wants to play. So that's all that. Here is my tape coffee table. I forget how many tapes are actually in this. But I built this myself with the guidance from Jared. He has one. So it's just a bunch of tapes glued together to make a coffee table. It's basically a bunch of rat shit. No tapes that anyone would actually want or think are rare or anything. A lot of like common tapes. And yeah, over there's a closet. It's just full of junk right now. All my horror tapes are in there. All my action tape. Basically all my tapes are in there right now. But we don't really have the space to put them out. So yeah, this is the game room. Not much else to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it wasn't too bad. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you guys have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, make sure you click that red subscribe button, turn on notifications, and if you guys give this video a thumbs up, it really helps me out a lot. You have no idea how much it helps. It helps out a ton. So give this video a thumbs up. And what else do you guys want to see from me? Do you guys want to see me go through all my DVDs and talk about them? Let me know. And that's about it. So I will see you guys next time. Take care.